How's it going, people? Glad you could join me. It's a lovely semi-bright Saturday morning and I'm off to see the Viking. If you remember the Viking in my Peak District videos, yeah, that's the guy. I've been texting him and finally I'm going off to see him. Before I go, I just want to say thank you to all of my new subscribers. That's not exact, of course. It goes up, it goes down. Hey ho, such is life. Anyway, join me on Instagram at HoppoVersion1 to keep up to date with my latest activities. Also, I finally joined Facebook after a long debate with myself, by the way. Join me on Facebook, Hoppo Monkey Bike, also to keep up to date with my latest activities. Right, let's hit the road. Right guys, I've just pulled over to adjust myself. Just remember, if you're going on any long journeys or anything over an hour, pull over, adjust yourself, because there's nothing worse than riding, you can't pull over and you're feeling uncomfortable. One more thing I forgot to tell you as well. We're going to Mowbray today to seek out the best pork pie. If you remember on my first vlog, or one of my first vlogs, when we was going to Vegas, we pulled over, had a little picnic, and there was a massive debate as to which pie is the best, etc, etc. So I'm going to settle that score once and for all. So we're off to Mowbray. First stop, the Vikings house, and then we're off to Mowbray. See you guys in a bit.
I blame you for the moonlit sky and the dream that died with the eagle's flight. I blame you for the moonlit nights when I wonder why are the seas still dry. Don't blame this satellite. Did we fly to the moon too soon? Did we squander the chance in the rush of the race? The reason we chase is lost in romance, and still we try to justify the waits for a taste of man's greatest adventure. Whoa. I blame you for the moonlit sky and the dream that died with the eagle's flight.
So I finally arrived at Mowbray and it's 5 monkeys here. Take a look at this. And that was the 5 monkeys. Impressed? Brilliant. Nice little turnout as well. We're going to have a little conversation now and decide where we're going to go, and then we'll pick up the vlog in a second.
How you doing?
How's it going? I finally made it, Matt the Viking. How are you, son?
Alright mate, how are you?
Brilliant. Quite impressive, our little turnout.
Yes,
And these
we're going to have a bit of a ride.
Yeah? Are you impressed with the little monkeys, the little classics?
Yes.
Or not? They're so nice, aren't they?
I think we're going to struggle to keep up with them.
You reckon? I reckon as well. They're so nice. Do love the old monkey bike. Let's go meet the other monkey owners.
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to speak to the owner of this monkey here, the white one I've just showcased. Meet Andy. Hello Andy, how's it going, buddy?
Hello, mate.
How are you?
Good, mate, good.
Right, this is your bike,
This is it.
and honestly, it's absolutely fantastic. Tell us a bit about it, sir. How long have you owned it for?
We've had it about 6 months, I reckon, 6 or 8 months.
6 months, yeah.
Yeah?
We bought it to do a challenge, a charity challenge.
Okay.
You have to buy a machine for £500.
Okay.
We're doing 500 mile around Wales, but at the moment that's not going to head yet. But that's the challenge. So
Okay.
That's what it costs us. Yeah, we've been out a few times on it, rubbed
Yeah.
down a few times. Not always been easy.
Yeah.
But fun.
Brilliant.
You know.
I must say, the colour of the tank as well. It's like a eggshelly white, isn't it?
It is.
And,
It's
and have
Old
you-
English white.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Last question as well. Have you got a name for this little fella here?
No.
No.
That actually was my son's when he was. This is my son. That's my son's just there.
Hello, sir. And what's your name again? Sorry.
Mark.
Hello, Mark. How's it going, buddy? So, father and son.
Yes, and that was his plaything when he was a child. So it's been in the family for 40 years.
It's come out of the loft, especially to go on the back of the bike.
Yeah.
I told you guys, everybody's got a story.
He don't say much.
I'll nickname him Reg for today. Reg, brilliant. Mark, right, yours is this one here. And again, I must say, this bike looks gorgeous. I love the colour. Hey?
It's all this grey primer.
Grey primer.
Grey primer. Lacquered.
That's what he wanted.
Talk about winging it. I'll tell you what, you can do mine in grey primer as well. So who built this baby then?
He
Was
put
your
it
father?
back together.
Yeah?
Yeah. It was £500. It was working.
Part of that challenge again, yeah?
Yeah. Needed.
Touch it.
Yeah. It was a mess. It's a taxi bike from London. They both are.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. You can undo the front and take all the handlebars, the front wheel, and everything comes away. Lift it up, put it in the back, in the boot of a car.
You can hear that, guys. Fascinating, absolutely fascinating. How long have you had this little beast?
Got them both at the same time.
Same time?
About 8 months.
Yeah.
Spent about 3 months doing them up.
Okay. Again, another fascinating story, similar to his father's. And I must say, guys, I'm very impressed. Small ball life, it's all the way. Right, guys, I know you stood next to me, but if you're watching this vlog, it's lovely to meet you. Another Steve.
Can't forget his name.
Hello, Steve.
Hi, mate.
How's it
All
going?
right.
All right,
Yeah,
mate.
not
Thanks for turning up today. How long have you had your monkey, Steve?
Since new, really, 2018.
Yeah?
No, 2019.
Describe your monkey bike in 2 words. One.
Epic fun.
Epic fun.
Yeah.
You've heard it from the man himself. Epic fun. Monkey bikes is the way forward. Steve, how many miles you done on this little beast?
7,500 miles.
7,500.
Goes anywhere, and if it gets stuck, you can pick it up and take it out.
I bet you got a few stories, didn't you?
Yeah, a few stories.
Yeah? Where have you been on it then?
Yorkshire Dales, Peak District, everywhere. Lincolnshire, right over to the coast.
Have you been to the moon?
Planning on it.
Well, I for one, Steve, I'm going to join you. That was Steve's bike. I think you'll agree. Absolutely amazing. Let's go. What can I say? That bike is lovely, it's so cute. Small ball life at its best.
Let me get going first.
Okay. You're a natural at this.
I know.
You're definitely a natural.
Somebody called me down.
Ride safe, buddy.
We will. He's only a kid.
We seem to have run into some technical issues with one of the bikes. Hope it's not too serious. We'll pick up the vlog in a second, alright? It's alright.
All sorted.
What happened?
My flag slipped out of the holder, got stuck in the back wheel.
All sorted now, yeah?
All sorted.
There you go, we're off. Are you ready, the Viking?
Quand tombe le mercure, le ciel pique du nez. Les éclairs, ce sont des fissures dans un plafond goudronné. Encaisser le choc thermique, échange d'amabilité au fond de la glace. Moi c'est Emric Bouyamba, enchanté. Mon prénom catholique est un passe-droit à ma couleur. Dans les familles à salaire unique, on fait du sac.
We are now at the Windmill tea room in Wymandham. I hope I've pronounced it correctly. Yeah, Wymandham. It's absolutely gorgeous here. And I will keep saying that word. It's so nice around here. Take a look at this.
I just wanna call you a friend. I don't wanna leave you hanging up. Let's go out and drive somewhere far, even if it takes us all night. Soaring high above the concrete skies. Well, they could only dream of breaking through. We sing at the
What do you think about that? Lovely locals as well, giving us a wave. Don't even know us. Just very, very lovely and friendly around here. And it seems to be such a chilled out atmosphere. What we're going to do now, have a quick bite to eat, then hit the road in search of that world famous, legendary, apparently best pork pie in the universe. So we're sitting here at the Windmill now, and I've gone for sausage, bacon and egg baguette. And I gotta say, you know what I'm gonna say, I always say it in all my vlogs, absolutely gorgeous. News just in. I've just received a package from a carrier pigeon and I'm lost for words. Take a look at this.
standing there with her hands in her hair. I can't help remember just when she touched me.
Well, what do you think about them?
Great, isn't it?
I've received those beautiful crafted coasters from VICKYS Bike Bits. The link will be in the description. I, for one, will be ordering more stuff because I tell you what, they're gorgeous. I'm overwhelmed. It's got my beautiful face on it. It's got my face on it, my bike. See the detail in them? I'm very, very impressed. If any of you guys want some coasters like this, or there's other stuff on VICKYS Bike Bits, click the link in the description. Take a look. Doesn't hurt, does it? Anyway, I'm going to finish off my sandwich.
Something about the way you and I fit, that's when it hits. Feels like it's too good to be true. We're down at the harbor and we dance in the dark. Don't know what you said, but I know how I felt. It's hard to believe our love could last, cause you're moving so fast. Then I start overthinking, and I ruin the moment, cause I picture the end, but I don't wanna go there. So I tell myself that, hey, it's alright if we don't end up together, cause you're mine right now. Hey, I don't mind if we don't get to forever, cause you're mine right now.
There's no stopping us, no stopping. No one does it better, no one does it
absolute nutters. We're having a whale of a time. That's what it's all about, guys. Get yourself out there, get on some meat and enjoy yourself. Wolves are coming through again, I think. Here's our Steve, fearless Steve. Go on, Steve. Look at the time we're having, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, Hoppo's going through the ford. He's a big wuss, really. So let's see how he does. Of course, he's not going to find that till he starts editing the video. So. I reckon he's going to speed that up when it comes to editing. He's not going to leave it that slow. That was nearly a disaster. He dropped down that hole there.
Yeah, that's where he went, isn't it?
That's where. Same hole.
I'm going again. I'm gonna have to redo that again.
Faster. No, you've got to get faster.
There's a bike round the corner.
I'm surprised you come out of that hole.
Yeah. Yeah.
Put a leg there. About there, that's our deep one. That's all the shallow bit. He nearly lost it then, didn't he?
He did. That was nearly in the bit. He did well to hang on to it.
That was total madness, but I for one felt like a big kid and I totally enjoyed myself. That was so much fun. I want to do it again and again and again and again, honestly. Steve, you absolute nutter. Fair play to you, mate. So much fun. Good bunch of lads. We've all got monkeys, some old, some new. Lads, if you're watching this, it was lovely to meet you, and may we have many, many more monkey adventures. See you later. Just got a massive smile on my face. Are you doing good?
I know it's going.
How cute is that little monkey? I thought mine was little, but bloody hell. It's looking like it wants to rain, but we don't care. All weathers, we don't care. It's been such a great day. Good bunch of lads, honestly. Having a whale of a time. Lovely little country roads. The monkeys just eating up the miles and burning rubber. Brilliant. Just guys, stop smiling. Matt the Viking, if you're watching this, buddy, cheers for organising this. Many more to come, mate. So we are back where we started. Thank you, Viking. Cheers, lads. We've had a good ride through the countryside, bit of a chinwag. Now I have a little bite to eat. Great company, lads. If you're watching this, it was great to meet you. So what we're going to go and do now, we're going to go and buy some Melton Mowbray pork pies and put them to the test. Absolutely fantastic. What a day. This is what it's about. Getting out on two wheels, preferably the monkey bike, of course. I'm not biased in any way. But I'm going to go and search for that pork pie now. See you in a bit. Right, I'm here outside Dickinson Morris. This was the pie shop that was recommended to me to get the best pork pies in Melton Mowbray. Here goes. Right, I'm in the shop now. Dickinson Morris. I've just found a very helpful member of staff. He's going to recommend a couple of decent pork pies, proper ones. Here we go. Right, I'm in Dickinson and Morris pork pie shop now, and I've just met a lovely member of staff by the name of Justin, and he's going to recommend pork pie for us, or two. Here goes. I'm quite excited about this. Hey Justin. Right, are you going to recommend a good few pork pies for us?
Yep, so the one I can certainly recommend is the one in white here. That is the one made by Dickinson and Morris itself, made and baked here. That is the most popular one, and that is only available here. All of the others you can get up and down the land.
What would your next recommendation be?
My next recommendation would be something else that is handcrafted and made here. And that is our top pies, made with the same meat and pastry as you have in the handcrafted, only you've got a choice of toppings.
Okay.
You've got a choice of Stilton,
I'll have one of them.
cranberry, hot gooseberry chutney, or apple, all of which are excellent.
Okay, I'll take a Stilton. Two of those Stilton, actually, and your last two chutney ones, actually.
Lovely.
Brilliant. Thanks a lot, Justin. I really, really appreciate it. One last question, Justin. How long's this shop been going?
So we've been here since 1851.
1850.
Yeah.
Hear that, guys? 1851. Wow. One last silly question. Have you got any pies left over from 1851 that have like matured or whatever?
No, because we're no preservatives, they only last a week, so you have to get them in the fast.
But you've heard it from the man himself. Justin, you are a champion, and I know you stood next to me, but if you're watching this, buddy, it was lovely to meet you. I'm going to go home, I'm going to review these pies, and I tell you what, I've got a feeling I'll be back very soon. Justin, you have been an absolute superstar. If you can bag all that up for us, and I'll take it home and I'll give you my honest review based on your recommendations. Isn't Justin a superstar, guys? He really, really is. And that's it, guys. We're going to hit the road now. Just say goodbye to the lads. And just a reflection on the day. It was so good to meet other monkey riders. We've had a good laugh. I've purchased some Melton Mowbray pork pies and some lovely cheese. Shout out to Justin at Dickinson and Morris pork pie shop in Melton Mowbray. I'm going to go home and review these pies now. But I've had an excellent day, an absolute blast, good bunch of lads, and they're all monkey riders as well. I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to join me on Instagram at HoppoVersion1 to keep up to date with my latest activity. You can also join me on Facebook, Hoppo Monkey Bike, also to keep up to date with my latest activities. Right, it's time to go. I'm going to hit the road.
Ooh, well,